So this is the problem you're looking at. Notice up at top where it says FGH with the squiggle, that means similar, and similar means proportional. So the triangle FGH is proportional to the triangle FIJ. I'm going to pull these apart for you so you can see better what we're looking at. So I'm going to write them separately. FGH is similar to FIJ. So FGH. I think I will write that one in a different color. FGH. And the H is 102. 102. And the F is 22. And then we have FIJ. FIJ. That one's bigger, but it's the same shape, and they are similar. So their sides, if they're similar, their sides are proportional. So then are their angles. Actually, if I recall, there might be a rule that if sides are proportional, then angles are exactly the same. But we didn't learn that one in here. We did, however, learn proportionality. So here we have 56. F is 22. FIJ. So if we were going to set up a proportion, and we're trying to find X. I don't think I included that in my picture. I'm going to pause and put it in. So I looked and the X was where the J is. I also noticed that I had written an H here, so I fixed that. So we have these two triangles and we pull out proportions. If you've watched the other videos on this, you know that I like to spend some time getting to know them. So I'm going to ask myself what angle matches the angle in the other triangle. These are already turned the same direction, so I know that 102 is proportional to X. I'm going to go ahead and write that fraction right now. I just chose to put 102 on top because I had said 102 before I said X. You could have said X is proportional to 102, as long as you keep that what it was. So I'm going to label this that the 102 came from the blue triangle and the X came from the red triangle. Because when I set up my next proportion, I need to copy this blue over red. So for my next proportion, I need to find the sides of my triangle, the matching sides, and use them. Well, this 56 doesn't have a number for its matching side. I believe in your picture that's a Y right there. So we need matching angles that are the same in both. Matching angles that have a number for both is a better way to say that. So right here we have a number for the F, and it is the same angle because these two triangles are written inside each other and they're sharing that F. If this was a standard proportion, I would make sure I put the number from the blue on top and the number from the red triangle on bottom. From the red triangle. We do our standard multiply, the numbers that are diagonally opposite each other, take that answer and divide it by the number diagonally opposite your unknown. So this would be 102 times 22 divided by 22. Well, when you do this multiplication, that 22 over 22 cancels out and you get X is 102. Basically, this one, as soon as you see they're sharing an angle and they're proportional, you know that if this angle is the same for both, then all the angles are the same for both triangles. I hope that helps. Let me know if I've confused you more, if I've helped you. If I have confused you more, I will do what I can to fix that.